Today I'm going to be cooking atieke today.
Beautiful.
Cuisine today. My husband is cooking tilapia today. He's going to be roasting the tilapia in the oven. So he's seasoning it. Can you show the seasoning, please? So that's the seasoning he's using for the tilapia. Okay. Okay, so this is the fish. The fish is ready seasoned already. So this is the atieke, the one we're gonna be making. And this is red pepper. This is red pepper. And this is onions and garlic. So I'm gonna blend those. I'm gonna blend the onions and garlic and the red pepper. And I'm gonna put those on top of the fish. But I already seasoned the fish already with the season I showed you guys before. And this is the atieke. So I'm gonna be making a fish and atieke today, okay? And I'm gonna use the mustard. This is the mustard I'm gonna use, and the black pepper. Black pepper. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put all those together and blend them, okay? And put some cooking oil to it. You're gonna add some cooking oil and this pepper and the mustard and the black pepper and the season, any season you got home, and some Maggi. I'm gonna use like a 3 Maggi. Those little Maggi, I'm gonna use 3 of those Maggi. So I'm gonna blend everything, and after I finish blending, I'm gonna show you guys later, okay? Okay, so this is the sauce, the one I was telling you guys about. I already did that. So it's time to marinate the fish. So my husband is doing that.
I'm going to do it with my hand because that's the best way to, you know, to put all the ingredient inside and out. So you want to make sure it's go every corner of the fish because you wanna enjoy every second of it. You know, it's the best way to do that. My son is learning with me also. Right, Ray?
Yes.
Good boy. This is the first fish marinated.
Yes.
So we're just gonna put this back here.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna finish this and we continue next level.
Okay, so we already did this one, so we're gonna do the rest of them, and after we're gonna show you guys what to do with it. Okay then, so my husband already put all the sauce on it, and after cut some onions and red pepper, put on top of it just like this. So he's gonna put them in the oven, okay? So this is how it look like, and we're gonna put it in the oven. This is the atieke and the necessary stuff for the atieke, okay? Okay, you're gonna add some little bit of cooking oil on it like this. Just a little tiny.
It's for the moist.
My daughter is making some little noise, so sorry about that,
I
okay?
need the moist on the fish. I don't want to eat the dry fish, you know. That's it.
And we're gonna put some
Aluminium.
foil on there, because the reason why you're doing that, because you don't want the fish to burn, okay? You want to cook the fish first, and after you're gonna remove it to make the fish brown. But now you need to put some of it. So now you see he's gonna close it down very good. You need to seal it very tight. And after we're gonna put in the stove, we're gonna put the stove on 350. So we're gonna put it inside the stove and we start cooking, okay? So after cooking, I'm gonna show you
You gotta
guys.
make sure you put some holes on it.
Okay.
Alright? Take the knife and poke it. Let me get my knife over there, please. So you want the fish to have that kind of steam out. Alright, that's good enough. It's ready to go to the oven. Chef Amara, can you open this for me? Thank you, we make a good team. Alright, nice and neat. It's ready to close down. Should the light in there. And then right now I just have to turn it. So
Okay,
we
it
just
will
have
be
to stop.
on 350, okay? Okay, it's just like a 15 minutes now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the cover, okay? Like this. So I'm gonna let it cook just like this. So it will be like a nice and browning on top too. So I'm gonna show you guys the final product. So you see it's cooking very good. Okay, it's time to make the sauce for the for that chicken. So this is the sauce for my chicken. Okay, so I'm gonna start making this sauce. This is 2 onions, 1 cucumber, 1 red pepper, 1 green pepper, and tomato 1/2. So it depends if you're making a lot of chicken, okay? So this is the sauce for that chicken. And this is that chicken, the one I'm gonna be making. It's cassava. Chicken is made of cassava. Okay, so you can go to any kind of African store, you ask for chicken, they will show you what is a chicken, okay? So I'm gonna start making a chicken. The chicken, you need to remove this, remove it out of the plastic bag like this, and you're gonna, because you're gonna smash it down. You wanna remove, because it's very solid, because it's cassava, frozen cassava, was frozen and I defroze it. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna squeeze it down like this, and you're gonna start remove it. You want to make like a, you want to remove all the solidness out of it like this. You're gonna smash it down like this, and after you're gonna put some water on there and put it in the microwave for 4 seconds or 6 seconds. That's it. It's cooked already, so the only thing you're gonna do, you're gonna warm it up in the microwave. That's all you're gonna do. You're gonna add just a little bit of water, and you're gonna put in the microwave for 6 seconds. That's it, and it's done. To make a chicken is the easiest thing ever. So I'm just doing this right now, and after I'm gonna add the water, show you guys the water, how to put it. Okay, so you see what I did. I already remove everything like the bowl to this now. This is how it's supposed to look like now. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some water. This is the water. You're not adding everything. You're gonna add just a little tiny bit, and you're gonna mix it. You don't wanna wet it. You're not supposed to wet it so much though. It's supposed to be wet just a little bit. Okay? You see the little tiny water I put? You're gonna put just a tiny bit. Okay? And I'm gonna add just a little tiny bit. Like a 1 drop. Okay? Like a 2 little drop. Now I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 6 seconds, okay? For the 6 seconds, if you put it in the microwave, if it's cooked already like the way you want it, that's it. So you see it? And I'm gonna put in 6 seconds, and I'm gonna show you guys later. Okay, so this is the green pepper, red pepper, tomato, onions, and cucumber. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put everything inside one bowl, and I'm gonna mix them. I'm making the sauce of the atieke. This is the atieke, and I already did the atieke. The atieke is cooked already. So you're supposed to put in 6 minutes when you put the water. After the 6 minutes, it's done. You just need to warm it up, that's it, because it's cooked already. So this is a bowl. I'm gonna use this bowl to make the sauce of the atieke. I mean this the sauce of the atieke. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this bowl. I'm gonna put all this in one bowl and mix it. What do you need? You need a vinegar. Any kind of vinegar you have home, you can use it. And cooking oil, this is my leftover cooking oil, I'm gonna use that. So let's start mixing stuff. Okay, so I already mixed everything in the bowl. So you're gonna put like a 3 spoon of cooking oil or 4. It depends how you want it. So, and vinegar, I know what to do. You can put a 1 big spoon of vinegar, okay? Alright. You can use like 1 big spoon of vinegar like this, okay? And I'm gonna use 3 small Maggi. 3 small Maggi. And I'm gonna mix them, okay? Okay, so I put like the 3 Maggi. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna mix them. After mixing it, you're gonna try if it tastes good, like the way you want it. If it don't taste good like the way you want it, you can add more Maggi to it, okay? So that's all I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so this is the sauce. It's done already. I tried. It tastes very good like the way I want it. And this is my fish. The fish is ready. We're all done. And this is the atieke. So it's time to eat. So thank you for watching our cuisine. And please subscribe. The more subscribe I have, the more video I'm gonna post. So eat the atieke is very easy. What you do, you put a little bit of atieke in the plate. You put a little bit of the Maggi, the one I show you guys. You can put a little bit of the Maggi and mix it. And you can put the sauce on top of the atieke and put the fish on top of it and start eating. And thank you for watching. Please share my video. Share. And please subscribe. The more subscribe I have, the more video I'm going to be posting, and I'm going to be happier. Please support your sister and love you guys so much, okay? Bye.